Hey guys, welcome to today's workout. So this one is called heavy metal. Okay, so it is a strength workout, so we're going to drop down on those reps to a lower rep range. Okay, so it is good to have a few different club weights if you can. I do recommend having a set of light clubs, a medium clubs and a heavy club, so you can work those different rep ranges depending what your goals are. So with this, we're going to go into more of a heavy workout. So I'll demonstrate with the lighter club and I'll bring in a 20 kilo club and I'll show you what that looks like, okay, with the heavier club. We're going to be performing 5 reps of 5 exercises for 5 sets, and it's going to be a 20-minute workout. If you don't get all 5 sets in that 20 minutes, just stop at the 20-minute mark. But if you get all 5 sets in, and say it takes you 18 minutes, just finish the workout in 18 minutes. So whatever comes first, the 20 minutes or the 5 sets. All right guys, so I'm going to run you through the exercises now. So the first one we're going to be doing is an alternating swing. So alternating swing, set up, feet shoulder width apart, toes pointing forward, clubs around about 12 inches in front. Going to hip hinge those hips back, okay, feel the stretch on the hamstrings. And then from there, we're going to do an alternating swing. So we're going to go one hand on the club. And then from there, shoulder down and pack down. As I'm putting that club towards the body, I'm going to fire up that lat. We're going to hike it back between the legs, drive those hips forward. As I come up to shoulder height, other hand comes over the top. Okay, and I change hands. Okay, so we're going to do an alternating swing and 5 reps each arm. Okay, so from here, drive. This empty hand just can come out to the side, or it can follow where the club goes. All right guys, so you go 5 reps each arm on that one, and then we're going to go shield cast, 5 reps each arm from the order position. Again, just making sure you get that tricep into full flexion, so you've got the thumb on the top of your t-shirt line. So shield cast, rip down that lat, okay, pull down that elbow, bring it back into the order position. So go 5 reps. So putting that muzzle of the club into the back pocket on the opposite side. So right club, left back pocket. Okay, again, just changing sides. Okay, we go 5 on the other side, and then we're gonna go 2-handed order squat, or you can even do a single arm order squat. 2-handed order squat, feet shoulder width apart, okay, toes pointing forward, and then usual squat cues applied. Try and get the thighs parallel with the floor if you can. If you can't, just go as low as you can with good technique. And then from there, squeeze for the glutes, drive down for the heels, and then come up to a full extension. If you want to make it more challenging, okay, you can go down into a single order squat, okay? So that's your order squats. And then from there, we're going to go into a clean. From here, we're going to swing it back past the legs so we can get that momentum going, and then big snap on the hips, and then de-accelerate the weight into the order position. Slow it down, breathe from there, then back onto the ground. Drive forward hard and bring it back into that order position. De-accelerating that club as you catch it into that order position. And then the last one is alternating 180s. So again, just doing 5 reps each side. So alternating 180s, de-accelerate, bring it in, cast away, swing, catch, cast, swing, catch. Going 5 reps each side. All right guys, I might just get a heavier club, show you what that looks like. So we've got the 20 kilo beast club here. Again, because we're going lower rep ranges, you're gonna go heavier weights to really challenge yourself. Okay, so alternating swing. So 5 reps. So you do your 5 reps on those. Okay, as soon as you do those, we do our shield casts. 5 reps on those. Then your order squats. So you do your 5 reps on your order squats, 5 reps dead cleans. And then last one, alternating 180s. 5 reps. All right guys, that's it for today's workout. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey guys, thanks for checking out this video. If you want more videos just like this one, be sure to subscribe to our channel. And if you want to check out our dangerously fit strength training equipment, All of our products are available through our websites. I'll leave the links in the description below. Thanks again for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.